Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have beautiful jewelry from the company Read Your Heart. I wanted to show you how beautiful they send this beautiful packaging to put your gift in, and they sent me a couple of gorgeous items. So let me tell you a little bit about the company Read Your Heart. The founder of this brand, Alyssa, is an editor of a fashion magazine, and Read Your Heart was originated from a romantic trip to the Antarctic pole. She spent the most unforgettable time of her life during this trip. The dreamlike aura, Australis, made her feel the eternity of time and the beauty of life. All of this deeply shocked and inspired her. The only regret was that Alyssa lost her engagement ring during that trip. But even more surprisingly is that towards the end of the trip, Alyssa was attracted by a dazzling diamond ring worn by an elegant and charming lady. During the conversation, the lady told her that this was a gemstone first discovered in a meteorite, and later scientists created this gemstone perfectly in the laboratory. It has the same hardness and fire as diamonds, but the price is only a few tenths of diamonds. Yes, you guessed it, the gemstone is Moissanite. So Moissanite is eco-friendly. They use non-toxic materials to make Moissanite, and you'll be so surprised at the pricing. So this jewelry from Read Your Heart is set in sterling silver, and then also it has rhodium plating if it's a gold tone. So the first thing I want to show you, they approached me. They asked me to pick something out, and they have necklaces and earrings and bracelets and rings. And I chose earrings, and I do have one of them in already because I wanted you to see how spectacular it is. Here is, look at how gorgeous the packaging is. What a wonderful presentation this would make for your loved one. There it is. It says Read Your Heart right there. That's in silver if you can tell. And this is cushioned. It's gorgeous packaging. Look how pretty that is. And then on the inside, I have one of the earrings in here because I have the other one on. So look at just how pretty the box is. The box is stunning. Okay, this is the earring. Now this earring comes in silver colored and also in the gold colored. So I want you to see how gorgeous that is. And I put this in my ear so that you could see how it looks on the ear. I'm not sure if I'm showing that probably because I can't see, but it is gorgeous. So the back of it is gold colored. The front of it is diamonds, little tiny diamonds, Moissanite. And then it has these gorgeous hanging pieces. Isn't that stunning? And look at how they catch the light. And I don't have any brilliant lights here that would catch these lights. I mean, that would catch the facets of the diamonds. But Moissanite, it actually has more brilliance than diamonds do. And this, how this one works is this goes back like this. Can you see that? And then this goes in your ear, and then this comes back up and locks in place. It actually snaps in place so you know you have it on properly. Isn't it gorgeous, y'all? So when I chose this earring, they're so nice. They said, well, we'd like to also send you a ring. So they gave me a list of their rings and let me pick out something. I do want to tell you that things come with the jewelry comes in a little sack like this. It says Read Your Heart on it, a nice little Ziploc. And then you put it in the box to present it. And it comes with it tells you the story of Alyssa and her jewelry company. It's all in here. It also comes with a nice cloth for cleaning your ring, your jewelry, your necklace, whatever jewelry you get. And it also comes with certificates of Global Gemological Research Association, certificates of authenticity. So there's a welcome note on the back, and inside it has all there's your number that goes with your item. It's like a little credit card, and then all information about your Moissanite. Tells you all about it. It's very interesting, and it's very beautiful. So they sent me, I'm like, well, pick out a ring, and they gave me quite a few choices. They have a big selection of rings, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets, and it's hard to choose because everything's so beautiful. You want everything. Camille, you'll have to behave if you're up here. But let me show you the ring that they sent me. Again, the most gorgeous presentation. This gorgeous blue box with the silver Read Your Heart. And then this is the ring that they sent me. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is a, you know, I chose it. I could have chose a ring that did not look like an engagement ring, but I just couldn't pass this up. It was so stunning. So look at how this is a 1 carat stone. And then it has diamonds here and diamonds here, okay? And it is in sterling silver. And, you know, they let me pick my size and everything. And it's just gorgeous. I hope you can see, again, I don't have those, you know, when you're in a jewelry store, those lights that just, to me, the sparkle is fantastic and gorgeous and glorious. I don't know that it's showing up on camera that well. But if you want something that's going to last as well and as long as diamonds do, this is the way to go. Moissanite. This is $119.95. $119.85 for the ring and $119.95 for the earrings. You can't beat it for what you're getting. If these were diamonds, you know, these would be in the thousands. 1 carat diamond stone with the stones all along the band. It's just gorgeous. And it's made as if it was real diamonds. The way that the stone is raised and the holes in the back so that the light can go through and catch all the facets of the stone. Just absolutely gorgeous. Nobody would ever know that this is not diamond. Nobody would ever know unless you take it to the jeweler. So it's just gorgeous, y'all. Sorry about, you know, kitten bites. She's a biter. I hope she grows out of that, y'all. So these are my gorgeous earrings. And this is my gorgeous ring. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Now I'm not wearing that on my wedding hand, so nobody will think I'm engaged. Oh my goodness, but I think I'm gonna have to wear that all the time. It's just so stunning. So let me put it back in the gorgeous, gorgeous box. And this is called Read Your Heart. Just look at that presentation. Isn't that lovely? And then the earrings, I put them in this way because since this is round, I put it in this way just so you can be able to see in the packaging. And there it is on my ear. Thank you so much to Read Your Heart for sending this beautiful jewelry to me. And y'all, I'll have their information below, and go check them out because this stuff is beautiful, and this will last forever. Moissanite is not going anywhere. It's like a diamond. A diamond is forever. Moissanite is forever as well. Actually, when it comes to the quality of these stones, Moissanite, if made well, which these are, they're almost exactly comparable to diamond. So, and they actually have more of a, I don't know the right word, luster. I don't think that's the right word, but they're more brilliance because they're man-made. They're man-made, but they're not going anywhere. They're going to be around like real diamonds forever. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing these gorgeous pieces of jewelry. And thank you so much to Read Your Heart. I am just tickled that they picked me to show you these items. So see how that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.